Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. So for today's video I thought I want to be a bit creative. I want to do like something a bit fun, so I thought what better thing to do than make some things with polymer clay. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I definitely feel like there's literally so much that you can do with polymer clay. Like you can make like earrings, like key rings, little accessories, but I'm actually decided that I'm going to make some marble earrings because marble is such a cute print and I've got a good idea in my head. So I'm going to be using this polymer clay kit that I got from Amazon. It's like £20 and there's like so much clay in here. It's 50 colours and then it comes with like a few little cute accessories and stuff as well. This is how much clay you get in there, like there's so much. So I'm going to be needing some black or some grey and some white for, I'm going to show you what sort of marble print I'm going for. I'm going for something like this. So if I'm going for something like that, then I'm going to need grey. So this clay, you just kind of have to mould it in your hand for a few seconds before it's a little bit mouldable. But the best way to do this is just get out your clay. I've not actually used this grey one. I'm just going to roll that between my hands. And then the same with the white as well. And then I'm going to just roll them together. So I've got two little balls of clay now. I'm just going to like pop them together like this. I'm just gonna start like pressing them in together and I'm gonna roll them like together like you're mixing them but without actually mixing them. So it's now looking like this and I think that's like quite a marbly pattern now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to roll it out. And then I'm going to press it into the clay and cut it out. So I'm just pressing it into my clay now, and when I lift it, there we go, and then I'm just going to like scrape away the excess clay, and there we go. So now I have a super cute, I can't hold it, super cute little heart. So I've also got a jewellery making kit where it's got like loads of little hooks and stuff in. So I'm just gonna pop a little hole using just a long hook. I'm not actually gonna use this, but I'm just gonna put a hole into the top of the heart. The reason I'm doing this is so that I can actually like insert a loop to put the earring hook on so I can wear them as earrings. And then that is all that you need to do. After that you need to cook them, but I'm just going to make the second earring first. So I've just placed them on top of my jewellery kit, but this is both of them. So the next thing that I'm going to make it like a key charm or earrings. Depends if I want them to be earrings or a key charm. So I'm going to be using that same grey again, but this time I want to make like a little coffee mugs or like hot chocolate mugs. So I'm gonna roll it into a little ball to start with, and then I'm just gonna like press it in between my fingers a little bit just to make like a mug shape. I'm gonna use, you can literally use like any random tools for this, and I'm gonna use this tool just to press in to the inside of the polymer clay just to make like the lip of the mug, and so I can add in like the brown polymer clay to make it look like a hot chocolate. So you can see that I've literally just put like a little dip into that. And now I'm gonna take some brown polymer clay. I'm literally just gonna take the tiniest bit of this and pop it into that little hole of the mug that I've made. I've got this little packet of sprinkles, which I think these are actually made from polymer clay as well. It came in with the kit. And I'm gonna pick out the pink and white ones and sprinkle them on top like marshmallows. Take my little mug bit, let me just focus on that. And I'm just gonna pop that on top, and then I'm just gonna work it in like so. I'm just gonna press it into the little dip just so that it's all pressed in there. How has my lipstick been smudged this whole time and I've not even noticed? Great. So now you can see that I've literally pressed that in and made it smooth. So I actually have some Sculpey Bake and Bond, and this is literally just like glue. So when you're sticking like two pieces of polymer clay together, you can just use the glue and it dries clear anyway. And obviously I want to stick these little dudes on, so I'm just going to whack a bit of my polymer clay on the glue, on obviously, like I said, these tiny little sprinkles, and I'm gonna pick out the pink and white ones and use them as marshmallows, which I think is a super cute idea. And now I've picked out all my like pink and white sprinkles. I'm literally just placing them on So I just need to make a tiny little handle for my cup, but I'm just going to do that by rolling the polymer clay in between my fingers and just sticking the handle on. And here he is, my little dude. I'm definitely going to make 2 of these because I need these as earrings. So here's my little collection of earrings. So my house is cold and that's why I'm wearing my dressing gown. I do have my normal clothes underneath, but like I just didn't want to put my cardigan on. I just thought dressing gown is nicer. So I'm gonna put in my little hot chocolates first. So, okay, so they are really cute. I really like them. And these are my marble hearts. I think these ones are probably my favourite because they're just pretty, aren't they? Like, I actually really like these. Yeah, so thank you for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember to drop me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.